After we have a desired application, we will install additional engine reverse proxy for our application so that we can later configure more fan resource. From engine, we can increase the performance and optimize resource, enhance security of past and server, routing and load balancing, handling data cache, or TLS, SL for domain. Okay, after we have the NextJs application from before video. So inside we have npm run dev to run application. My application run in Spock 3000. So we will go to website to search the documentation from engine to set up engine reverse proxy to uh, so we can connect my application with the box. So only IP or only domain. Okay. If you see, we can connect the NextJs with IP and box 3000. So then we will. Okay, we will check again. Okay, let's go to install engine for NextJs engine reverse proxy for NextJs. Okay, I have lost documentation. You can check if you want. Okay, we use this documentation. So read documentation and choose right command line to install. Maybe the first thing we need to install engine and set up a consist engine to have a size available or set up a listen to IT. Okay, we'll do this. I think first up we go to sudo app install engine. Okay, sudo install engine is first step. We need to have the engine to run in my inbox. IT, yeah. So if you want to chat in browser with about IT, so you need to configure security and open box IT in inbound rule. Okay, open box IT for rule and maybe box 443 for SSL. Then just connect to box IT only box IT. Okay, we have anything. Welcome to anything. This is the default by of anything. So we just connect the engine to my application. Okay, check the next step. In next step, we can see we need to create the my next app. This is the file config for engine proxy in engine. So I think we can use this file and change the name. So I will use the subname with app.hanguru.id.pn. This is my domain. My domain is hanguru.id.pn. So app is subdomain. If you have domain for your application, you can check it. So in next step, I will sudo for your IP. Okay, you need to sudo engine to check successful and sudo system ctl restart engine. Okay. We need to go to check with subdomain app.hanguru.id.vs. Okay, I will go to my Cloudflare. This is provider for my domain. If you don't have a domain in Cloudflare or you have a domain in another provider, you also You also config namespace, config namespace to access cloud file, or you can go to your provider to set up. Inside domain, we have a guru.id.ps in my domain. So in this domain, you can see as record with the Thai I with subdomain is the IPP. This is app, and use the Thai I with the IP public. So copy this one, delete this one. Okay. The Wi-Fi is successfully. I think it is successfully, but we can see anything. Oh, still engine fast. So we can connect my domain to my application engine, but we need to connect engine to NextJs. So check again with documentation. Check again with step. Okay. Inside we have a folder, default, and my next app. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay. Sudo. Okay. We need to connect. We need to connect my next app. This is a file we config. We need to link this config to config of engine. Yeah, engine will receive my config if we use the ln to link this config and restart. Okay, maybe it's done. Okay. We can connect from a NextJs from engine proxy. So this is step by step to config the engine. It's a simple config, so you know. But if you don't have domain or don't receive domain, so you can check which server name is the IP public. So you just go to the IP public. You will go to the NextJs. Yeah, only the IP public. So you only need to go to IP public. First, you go to IP public. You will see the engine page. But when you config, you will see the NextJs application when you go to this IP. Okay, restart. Then check again. Okay, you can see NextJs and NextJs application when you go to IP public with default. Yeah, when you check your domain again, you will see this is welcome to engine. This is engine path. Okay, you can config again, and you can check any config of like get like log anything later in future. So that's all. Hope you utilize it and see you in the next video.